Guys, welcome back to your own channel BRP Traders. So what we have discussed in the crude oil and commodities, we can see here, guys. I have told you exactly if it will take somewhere here only support, exactly you can make here your position. Your first target we have easily reached, second target also reached, third target also reached. Okay guys, we have no issue in it. After that also you can see here, guys, just a second. You can see here, guys, this is the area where the sellers are coming. After this is broken, came to test and one-sided momentum. Hope you have considered it. We have taken this all profit first, second, third, three target we have achieved. After that also we have traded this and we have got a very huge amount of money, guys. Hope you have traded and made it a huge amount of money in the crude oil. In natural gas I have told you somewhere here only it broke, it will came here only, but I have exactly told you go and check out my video also, guys. This is the area where the buyer will be dominant, so you have to take care about it. You can see here exactly double bottom has been made it and one-sided momentum has been came. Exactly, it's acting as resistance. Hope you have at least taken this profit. After that it became a volatile, so you have considered it or not, it's up to you. After at least it is the your target in the natural gas. Okay guys, we can see for the gold analysis, guys. Gold analysis, I have exactly what told you, guys. Exactly, market reached up till there only. You can see that I have told you exactly if consolidate and broken. You can see that exactly broken. Our first target reached, second target reached, third target reached, fourth target even reached. You can see that exactly fourth target reached and taking continuously resistance and came downside. So you can see that how the analysis we have done and how accurate they are. So you have to see that, guys. Check out the previous video also I have posted. Check out there, I have not done any editing. You have got the confidence, guys. This is the confidence what we have to trade, guys. If our SL will be triggered, it will be the very small, guys, and we can achieve bigger and higher profit, guys. Go and check out. If you like this video, guys, please do one like, guys. If you don't know anything or you have any question, doubt or sort of thing, please comment me down. I will reply you and make you the nicer and nicer video that will give you motivation if you do the like and share with your friends and families, guys. Hope you are getting all the analysis. If you are getting analysis, please comment me down that you are getting and you have achieved your profit. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you so much.